How to see other viewers on a Facebook story. Basically, these specific users are the ones who followed you on Facebook that you did not even follow back. So those are actually the users who viewed your stories, which is indicated as others. But here's how you can manage it. Head over to your Facebook application and log into your account. Go into your account settings, head into settings and privacy, then go into settings. You'll be redirected to settings and privacy tab. Scroll down a bit till you find the options under audience and visibility. Go directly into stories, and this is where you can manage the viewers on your Facebook story. As you simply choose on who can see your stories. If you tap on that, you can choose to have it on public, friends, friends accept, and custom. If you go under public, you will be able to see viewers on your story that followed you without even following them back. However, you can choose to simply choosing friends and then just simply hit on save, and all the viewers of your story are all your friends. And that's it. It's how to see other viewers on Facebook story.